What's up, my viewers and subscribers? Welcome to another Jamaica Vibes Entertainment TV video. Well, in today's video, my people, I came across this video and I want to share it with y'all, my viewers and subscribers. You know, I said, don't know which parish in Jamaica it really took place, but it's a incident that happened with some citizens and the Jamaican police. They are in plain clothes and things. So I want to know, watch the video, listen what I go on, and after the video I'll give my comments on what I think is happening. So please like up the video, please subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell on all, so each time I upload a video you'll be the first to be notified. Now let's get into the video, my people.
Stay in a key. Stay in.
Him not do nothing. Me every day them. Play Crooks not do nothing. Man a come with the jail. Him take on Crooks. Him the one that take on Crooks. And I say Crooks have gun. And him man a vigil in him hand.
Andre Wallace, video them. Video them.
Stop with them. We not stop with them.
Me I return the lawful response, so you can stop me. And you don't have no right. First of all, before you can continue to think about take this out of me, and you have to find out who me be. Stop me from video. I'm not obstruct your work. I'm on my property. I'm not obstruct your work, big man. Because I'm witnessing going with a bag of foolishness. There's no way you can bust a woman's face. Me have video him. Paris, come here. Eat again. What's the message for going back there? Back there. Yo, watch out now. We have a right. No give it. No give a full right. Yo, we have full right. No give it. We have full right. Don't give it. Yo, watch out now. Yo, Dex. Watch out, them arrest the woman because she tell them about her mother, but them return the same thing, you know. Them tell the woman about her mother too, you know. He should something mother and can't take it.
What do you mean no? You have to keep
Take them blood clot picture. Take them picture. Wanna take them picture. I should have my sister. I should have my sister. I'm my woman. I should have my sister and my woman. That they tell you no. Yo. That they tell you. I should have my sister and my woman.
I don't want to go to play their face. Make sure to say wrong bus up my top. Wrong bus.
I should have my sister and my woman. That they tell you no. Taking a blood clot picture. Yeah. Remember say you're a human being. Remember say you're a human being. Unana hayan. Unana hayan. Unana hayan, brother. You come between you and my mouth, dog. For what? For what? A woman's strength to not have. Woman's strength to not have. I'm not supposed to beat a phone woman every day. I'm not supposed to beat a phone woman every day. Woman's strength to not have, hombre. Never in enough one. You need to go with them. You need to go with them. You don't go with them. Don't go with them. You don't go with them. Don't go with them. Don't go with them. No. Wanna catch you for a video? Wanna catch you for a video in the car? Make sure they catch you for a video. Catch their face and their license plate. A blood run through all of you. You know in a high hand. Yeah.
Now, based on what I have observed, it's a whole bunch of chaos, a whole bunch of noise, everybody talking at the same time. But from what I can see, is like a man was arrested, but he was placed inside the police vehicle, so you can't really see him. And I guess the young lady that you see them have up, I guess that was his woman or something like that, you know what I say? And apparently, like, the police, they must say assault her or whatever, because either she tell them go suck them mother, or him tell her go suck them mother, and them thing there. You know, this whole sucking mother thing is getting out of control. But, you know, you did there, you see what I go on, next minute you know, you see a next man grab a next man and I try haul and pull him, and next one did it and she hear a shot fire and them thing them people. So it's just one big drama after our next. Then here our next slip come on and say, I should have filmed sister or filmed woman, I either see what I go on. No people. Won't you think it happen if I'd really filmed sister or filmed woman and him decide to take action? Is either him that get beaten by the police, probably lose all him life and them thing there. You know what I say? So decisions that people make when it comes according towards the police them, you know, can be detrimental to your life, you know. You can video them and rape you as long as you not interfere with them investigation. You know what I say? So, you know, we see them things all the while happening in Jamaica with the police them and the people them. And you know, sometimes it get crazy. Most of the time it get crazy. Not sometimes, most of the time it get crazy. Because we see it all the time. You know, so, you know, what we're going to learn from this? What we really going to learn from this situation? And at one point you said one of the police them pull out all them gun and ray. You know what I say, my people? But it's just another day in a typical life of Jamaica between police and the people them, when situations like this occur. But let me know what you think by leaving a comment in the comment section about this video. You know, my people. Yeah, so with that, remember to like up the video, remember to subscribe. You know what I say? And like me always say, walk good, live good, God is the greatest, and we'll check it out in the next video.